Hello, today we will learn about a new WordPress function. Many times we will change and update the content in WordPress, but then we can no longer undo it. Okay. Today I will talk about the function by which you can undo the previous content or data. First, log in your dashboard and go to your post section. Create one new post. And demo content and publish. Now I change this last paragraph. Remove the last paragraph and update. And refresh my page and Ctrl Z, but my data not undo. Okay, for this reason or this time, right hand side one option is post. Under post, two revisions means this post or this content change 2 times. Click the 2 revisions. First is remove and second one is added. See, this one is remove paragraph, color is red, background color is red, and right hand side the paragraph is a blank and this background is green type. Now check, go to editor, copy, paste and update. For this time we change 3 times this content. 3 revision, 3 times changes this content. Two paragraph is add. Then I try to undo last content. So here one move arrow and right hand side restore the revision. Click the restore revision. For restore, remove 2 new paragraph. Restore this revision. And we see my 2 paragraph is removed and undo the last one. This way you can undo your WordPress post content. Thank you.